Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: updated Roblox client and stable network. Open settings and note the client version, then run a quick speed test so you know bandwidth and latency. Once done, reproduce the low-quality bug while recording exact symptoms and any error text. This gives clues for rendering versus asset issues. Make sure to enable Developer Console, F9, so you capture warnings. This initial capture saves time and points directly to the next technical steps. Now you dive into the middle steps. Change graphics mode to manual and try specific quality levels like 10, 15, 20 to isolate thresholds that trigger low quality. Then open Studio and force high-quality textures. Re-import any suspicious assets because compression or bad imports often cause visible degradation. Once done, inspect level of detail and mesh streaming settings so assets aren't overly culled. Make sure to test both Play Solo and Play Here to reproduce with the same engine path. To finish, clear Roblox cache and restart the client. You'd be surprised how often cached low-quality assets persist. Then verify whether the issue appears after rolling back the last change or plugin. This isolates recent regressions. If quality is still poor, collect the Developer Console logs, system specs, and screenshots, and submit a detailed bug report to Roblox or your team. One tip: if nothing changes, try a clean Studio install. Corrupted installs can produce persistent quality problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.